All right. So it's Friday, the 16th of July. About 10 minutes to the RTH session, 15. This is where we are on the 60-minute chart. So yesterday tested high, continued lower. And then found buyers and finished at the VPOC. Scenario 1. And now in the overnight we've been trending higher. So scenario 1 for me today is test a bit low and continue high to the upside of the channel to around 90. And scenario 2 is the opposite. We open with the 70 and around to the VPOC of yesterday at 52, around here. So that's scenario 2. So how does this look on the 15-minute? Here is yesterday's day session. We opened, tested lower, found buyers, went through the range, turned around, chopped around and sold off towards the end of the day, and then we found buyers and finished at the VPOC. So for me this was scenario 1 yesterday. Although it was scenario 1 to begin with, then test lower, continue higher, scenario 2. And then finally we found sellers. So on the 15-minute chart you could say that we tested higher and found sellers, and we sold off. So today's scenario 1, as I said, we're right at the top of the range, above yesterday's high. Attempt to close the gap. We're currently at 67, the gap is at 60. Test 64. Leave the gap open. Go to 70. 70. VPOC, MC VPOC, the swing high of the overnight session. Yesterday's overnight session, mainly an MC VPOC. And then continue higher to 1 volt sigma, and then all-time high of 84.5. And if we take that out, go to 90. Scenario 1. Scenario 2 in green. We open, we open 66.5, 67, test the 70 MC VPOC. Test that. Find sellers. Test the close the gap. The gap is at 60.75. Close the gap. Go inside the range. And test the VPOC from yesterday at 52. That's the VPOC from yesterday, the overnight mid 52. Gives a range of 20-ish points. Below that we have an LVN at 45. Value area low from yesterday. Value area low from yesterday at 46, 45, 46. So 46. So that's scenario 2. The way we've been trending up, I expect this to continue in the usual ES style towards all-time highs drift. And that's that.